EJSLV Pro. Eric here with you. Got Darnell on stage. We're trying to get out of here. But hey man, I'm here at Truth Reveal in Palm Bay, Florida. Just finished installing RCF HDL10As to the side. And I'm actually quite excited about it. I didn't install the wings for them, but I did get them for them. So that lets you know I can get anything. But with that being said, you know where you can find us, 772-940-8065. Also, www.ejslvpro.com. As well as, man, I'm all on social media, man. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, you name it. Email is ehatcher@ejslvpro.com. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the work. And yeah, man, let's get at it. Let's get on it. On the move, baby. Let's get out of here, man. Come on.